Welcome back to Car Trend, where the road meets innovation, and today, we're diving into something that's generating serious buzz in the truck world, the brand new 2025 Chevrolet C30. If you're a fan of classic American trucks or just looking for raw capability blended with modern sophistication, then this is one you'll want to stick around for. Chevrolet has taken a bold step with the 2025 C30. For many, the name alone sparks nostalgia, a callback to the heavy-duty workhorses of decades past. But make no mistake, this is no mere retro revival. This is a complete reimagining of what a modern heavy-duty truck can be while honoring the toughness and purpose-driven legacy of the original C30 line. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 C30 looks like it's built to conquer anything in its path. Chevy went big here, literally. The new C30 sports an imposing, squared-off stance that sits wider and taller than its Silverado cousins. The front end features a massive grille with active shutters for better aerodynamics and engine cooling, flanked by sharp LED headlamps that almost seem to glare at the road ahead. The body is all about clean lines and muscular contours, hinting at the raw power underneath while keeping everything modern and refined. Under the hood, Chevy offers two powerhouse options. The standard model comes with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, pushing out a monstrous 470 horsepower and a torque figure north of 950 pound-feet. That's right, nearly 1,000 pound-feet of torque. If that doesn't scream serious towing machine, we don't know what does. Paired with a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission, this drivetrain combo ensures seamless power delivery, even under heavy loads. There's also a gas-powered option for those who don't need all that diesel grunt, featuring an upgraded 6.6-liter V8 that delivers a solid 401 horsepower. Now let's talk about what really separates the C30 from other heavy-duty trucks on the market: capability and comfort. Chevy designed the C30 for serious work. With a max towing capacity of over 25,000 pounds when properly equipped and a payload rating that edges out most competitors, this truck doesn't just talk the talk. It hauls, it tows, and it doesn't flinch under pressure. But what's truly impressive is how Chevrolet has balanced brute strength with refined driving dynamics. Thanks to an all-new multi-link rear suspension and updated chassis geometry, the 2025 C30 rides surprisingly smooth, even when the bed is empty. This isn't just a workhorse anymore, it's a daily driver if you want it to be. Step inside the cabin, and the evolution continues. The interior is far removed from the utilitarian roots of the old-school C30. You're greeted by a fully digital gauge cluster, a massive 13.4-inch central touchscreen running the latest Chevy infotainment system, and available premium materials like leather, open-pore wood, and aluminium trim. Connectivity features a top-tier, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant, and even an optional heads-up display. Comfort hasn't been compromised either. With best-in-class front seat space, available ventilated and heated seats, and a whisper-quiet cabin even at highway speeds, the C30 offers a premium experience for both drivers and passengers. And if you're someone who spends long hours behind the wheel, that kind of comfort matters. Of course, safety tech is front and center. The 2025 C30 comes loaded with Chevy's latest suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control with trailering mode, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, forward collision alert, and even a new trailer camera system that offers a 360-degree view of your load and surroundings. Chevy also made a smart move by including a configurable bed system, with new power outlets, modular tie-downs, and even a built-in air compressor option. Whether you're on the job site or setting up camp, the C30 is clearly built to do more than just haul. One of the most talked about new features is the WorkSmart Bed Tech package. It includes a powered tailgate that opens and closes with a wave of your hand, integrated side steps that retract when not in use, and a digital payload monitoring system that lets you see exactly how much weight you're carrying, right from the dashboard. Chevrolet is betting big on the 2025 C30, and honestly, it looks like that bet is going to pay off. This truck bridges the gap between classic durability and forward-looking innovation. It honors its heritage without being stuck in it, and that's not easy to pull off. So, whether you're towing a fifth-wheel trailer across the country or just want a commanding presence at your local hardware store, the new Chevrolet C30 is more than ready for the job. It's bold, powerful, and smart, a combination that might just raise the bar for what we expect from a heavy-duty truck. That's it for this deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet C30. Let us know in the comments what you think. Does Chevy have a hit on its hands, or are you waiting for something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next feature. This is Car Trend, and we'll see you on the road.